guys, today I'm going to be explaining to you why all my other videos didn't have sound. The reason why all my other videos did not have sound, so I just come in there saying the reason why all my other videos did not have sound, is because, you know that little microphone thing I don't film my videos on the camera, I film my videos on the phone. So that little microphone thing, and it said no sound, so I clicked on this and I went to settings, and then I said, wow, all I had to do was turn it on, turn the sound on. But that is exactly why my videos do not have sound. Because at first I just saw something wrong with my phone, because it was an old phone. I have my brother's old phone. This video, I have film videos on. Guys, yes, I will be reacting to videos now. I'm going to be reacting to videos now. And guys, please get to this video to at least 5 subscribers.
5 likes.
5 thumbs up. And guys, today I will be making a video on me reacting to other videos. So guys, even though I'm not even though I'm Jamaican, I do like anime. So I'm going to be reacting to anime, to Story Booth, and all that other stuff. But for right now, I'm just gonna build something right now. So this I'm gonna build. So see you guys when I'm almost done building. Me and my brother, we just found out that all I had to do was press the button. Guys, I'm gonna have to edit this one right here. You guys can't see right now. One right here and one right here. You guys can see this one. I'm just gonna keep building. Tell you guys when I'm done. Not clickbait. I'm gonna make a video of that today, and I'm gonna be changing everything so I can get ready for my video. Cause this, to me, this does not look like I'm ready for my video. So yeah, cause I'm gonna take a nice shower, yeah, and everything so I can get ready for the video. Cause I used to have a Musical.ly account, and I'm gonna ask my mom if I can get another Musical.ly account so you guys can follow me on Musical.ly, and you guys should probably follow me on TikTok too. No, I'm not gonna do TikTok. I don't know why, but I'm just not gonna do it. So you guys can give me. When I asked my mom, my mom said I can have a Musical.ly account, maybe you guys might see me on Musical.ly. Guys, I cannot make slime anymore because my mom said, because I had got it on the carpet, and my mom said I can't have slime anymore, and I had to get it off the carpet. And I successfully got it off the carpet, but the color was still on there, so, and I had to pick it. or you guys could go watch the video that had no sound. And I know you guys hate when, you know what? I know you guys hate when you film a video of poking slime, and guess what? There's no sound. But I think I'm gonna change that. I think I can still change that. We just got these yesterday. Doors. We're gonna have doors so we can guys doors. David, I know a YouTuber, and then somebody they're trying to be funny and be like, Lunchables are only for poor people. They're be no.
Oh yeah, who are they? Who are they called?
I'm not trying to hate, but
I know what you're talking about. Like they said, parents get their kids multiple because they don't feel like cooking. Yeah, I saw that.
no, I didn't. No, I remember the kids today. They're actually to their hamburger. They said, "What does this smell like?" And then they said, "What does it smell like?" Well, it smelled like their kids said a fart.
What?
A fart. That's what their kids said. That was funny. Guys, this is my building. So nobody can break into my building. Nobody can break into my building unless they're granted permission by the Lord. No! We have no windows. Fell. My brother over there, he played Fortnite. And guys, I do not have my own Xbox. My brother is on his second Xbox. And I have my third phone.
Third?
Yeah, third. Mommy had my Samsung, and I had that white phone.
What was it?
You don't remember the Wi-Fi was like an HTG thing? Or something like that? That was Mommy's old phone. I remember when Mommy got that phone. We were so impressed that she got a new phone. Like, just her, like, and really, yeah, 'cause I didn't have a phone. But then she gave that phone to me, and then when that phone, when Jaden broke my phone, because he had broke it in half, right? And then, no, he had bent it in half, right? And we thought it was our neighbors next door, right? So we said we would go put their house up for sale. But you can't do that because that's illegal. But we were just joking around. Because, you know, we still kids, so. And guys, the main part why my YouTube channel name is Imani Richardson is because when I first got my profile for YouTube, I meant to have it to watch on YouTube, right? So I put my real name in. And then I started filming YouTube videos. guys, I'm about to go get ready for my other video. After I upload this video, add some sound effects. And edit some little parts. Bye guys. Bye guys.